CIET NCERT presents audiobook Bansuri, Textbook of Arts for Grade 5.
Page number 92. Music. At top left of the page, we have an image of a tanpura. On this page, a group of girls is singing on a stage. Page number 93. Dear music teacher, as we continue on this journey of music education, we have an opportunity to help our students love music, art, and learn to express themselves freely. Every child is inherently creative, and as educators, it is our role to make the classroom a safe space for every child where they can learn and explore without fear or judgment. This book can be a guide for you. Here are some guidelines that can help you prepare for a wonderful classroom experience. Start the class with a smile, a warm greeting, and a warm-up exercise to help children ease into learning. Always use a tambura, an instrument, electronic or app, a harmonium or a keyboard to help children match the pitch while singing. This book includes a variety of songs in many different languages. You are free to choose a similar song in a language from your region as a substitute, ensuring that the learning objective from the activity is met. Wherever possible, ensure there is enough space for students to move around during activities. Encourage students' effort as much as possible. In addition, encourage all children to participate in the activities. Wherever possible, encourage them to experience live music of different styles. Try to organize a field trip to a performance or a live music performance in the school. Look at other resources available in your city or town to help students experience music and the arts. If there are talented or gifted students in the class, find ways to showcase their abilities during some class and school events. As this is the final year of the preparatory stage, try and reinforce concepts from earlier years whenever possible to ensure that the competencies and curricular goals for this stage are met. There are guidelines for formative assessments at the end of each chapter, which should be conducted in a relaxed and engaged manner and mainly through observation in the classroom. The suggestions for summative assessments are provided at the end of the music section, and the competencies for this stage are given below. The aim of assessments is mainly to see whether children are able to reach the competencies laid out or whether more support is needed. Give children qualitative feedback to help them develop further. Page number 94. Activities marked with a star symbol can be facilitated by any teacher, even in a school with limited resources. Competencies for the preparatory stage are: Competency 1.1 expresses enthusiasm to practice and perform music that is familiar to them. Competency 1.2 discusses own thoughts and responses while working collaboratively in music. Competency 2.1 practices and performs songs and rhythms in a variety of musical arrangements, arrangement of vocal, instrumental, solo, duet, ensemble or group. Competency 2.2 compares and contrasts musical elements, that is lay, tal, sur, bhav, lyrics and expressions in a variety of musical styles introduced in the classroom. Competency 3.1 makes choices while working with voices, instruments and arrangements used in music. Competency 3.2 contributes ideas while selecting music for performance and participates in rehearsals. Competency 4.1 recognizes musical elements in nature and describes their artistic qualities. Competency 4.2 demonstrates curiosity towards local art forms and culture. Page number 95. Chapter 10. Sing and Play. At the top left corner of the page is given an image of a tanpura. Below that, we have QR code which can be scanned for more resources and information related to this chapter. Welcome back, students. As we continue on our musical journey, let's start by singing a song together. You can choose a song you already know or try the one given here. In the image given on this page, few children are also standing with their hands folded and singing the same prayer song. Prayer song, इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता. Language, Hindi. इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना, हम चले नेक रास्ते पे हमसे भूल कर भी कोई भूल होना, इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, दूर अज्ञान के हों अंधेरे, तू हमें ज्ञान की रोशनी दे, हर बुराई से बच के रहे हम, जितनी भी दे भली जिंदगी दे, बैर होना किसी का किसी से, भावना मन में बदले की होना, हम चले नेक रास्ते पे हमसे भूल कर भी कोई भूल होना, इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, हम न सोचे हमें क्या मिला है, हम ये सोचें किया क्या है अर्पण, फूल खुशियों के बांटे सभी को, सबका जीवन ही बन जाए मधुबन, अपनी करुणा का जल तू बहा के, कर दे पावन हर एक मन का कोना, हम चले नेक रास्ते पे हमसे भूल कर भी कोई भूल होना, इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना. Song summary. This is a prayer song in Hindi that asks God to give us strength so that our faith never wavers and we walk the path of goodness. Page number 96. At the bottom of this page, few children are in a garden and matching their voice with singing of two birds on a branch of a tree. Activity 10.1. Group singing. Here are some things to focus on when singing in a group. 1. Everyone should start and stop at the same time. 2. Everyone should sing in the same pitch, tempo and volume. Before singing, one person, like your teacher, can indicate the starting note and count the beats to tell everyone when to start. After you sing, think about whether the voices blended together. If they didn't sound the way you want, try again. Music, like most things, improves with practice. Activity 10.2. Singing in sections. Now that you have sung as an entire class together, let's try working in smaller groups. Sing a song with one or two partners as a duet or a trio. Keep in mind the earlier principles of group singing. How is this different from singing alone or in a big group? Which is easier and which is harder? Choose a song that has 3 or 4 sections and divide the class into 3 or 4 groups. Each group can work separately on your section of the song. Once you are ready, put the groups together and sing the entire song. Page number 97. Song मी डोलकर. Language Marathi. वल्लभ रे नखवा हो वल्लभ रे रामा, वल्लभ रे नखवा हो वल्लभ रे रामा, मी डोलकर 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 दर्याचा राजा, घर पाण्यावरी बंदराला करतो ये जा. मी डोलकर 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 दर्याचा राजा. आय बापाची लाराची लेक मी लारी. आय बापाची लाराची लेक मी लारी. चोली पिवली गो नेसले अंजरी सारी. माझ्या केसान गो मालीला फुलेला चाफा. वास परमालता वारायण घेतय झेपा. नथना कान साजीरवाणी गल भरून सोन्याचे माणी. कोलीवाऱ्याची मी गराणी. रात पुनवेल नाचून करतय मौजा. मी डोलकर 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 दर्याचा राजा. वल्लभ रे नखवा हो वल्लभ रे रामा. Song summary. This is a lively and energetic Marathi folk song that celebrates the spirit of the sea and the fisher folk. The lyrics describe the fisher folk as the king of the sea, expressing pride, freedom, and a deep connection to the ocean. The image on the right side of the page also gives the same description. The fishermen are going on a boat into the sea and also throwing net to catch the fish. Note to teacher. There are folk songs related to fishing and other traditional occupations in every region. You can choose a song related to traditional occupations from your own region. Page number 98. Activity 10.3. Clap along. This is an activity that can be done by two individuals or two groups. While one person or one group sings the song, the other claps to keep the time of the song. Activity 10.4. Sing with accompaniment. Choose a song you know well. Would you like to sing solo, duo, or in a group? Sing with either live accompaniment on an instrument, if someone can accompany you, or with a karaoke track. While singing with accompaniment, make sure you stay in the same time and pitch. Try to balance the volume of the voice or voices with the accompaniment. Activity 10.5. Cup Song. A cup song is a fun activity where you tap out the rhythm of a song using clapping of hands and the tapping and rotating of cups. Watch a video of a cup song online and learn the rhythmic pattern. Practice until you can do it fluently. It may take a few classes to be able to do the cup song fluently. Once you are confident, practice it with the video. You can try the rhythmic pattern of the cup song with any song in 8 beats and it will fit. Pick a song of your choice and try. Just like in the image given, two students are practicing cup song. Page number 99. At the bottom left corner of the page, 3 children are standing and singing. Beatboxing or vocal percussion. Making the sounds of drums with your mouth is called beatboxing. Activity 10.6. Beatboxing exercises. Try saying Boots and Katzen repeatedly in rhythm. After you are comfortable, try to emphasize the consonant sounds B, T, K and T and minimize the vowel sounds. It will sound like buttercut, buttercut, boots and Katzen, buttercut. The B is a low sound that imitates a drum in the lower register. The K and T sounds imitate higher pitched drums. See where you can add your beatboxing patterns as a layer in a song. A cappella or voicing instruments. A cappella is a style where all the vocal and instrumental parts are sung by voices. Activity 10.7. Experimenting with a cappella. Find and listen to an a cappella song online. See if you can make a song you know well into an a cappella by mimicking the different parts. First, listen to your chosen song carefully to see how many different parts you can hear. Then see how to divide the parts amongst yourselves. Try all the parts separately. Put them together. It usually helps if someone keeps time and gives the starting pitch. Don't be discouraged if you can't do it on the first try. It can be complex. Page number 100. Assessment. Chapter 10. Sing and Play. The given table provides the competency and aligned learning outcomes and also gives the space for assessment by teacher and self. Competency 1.1 Learning outcome is able to sing a song fluently in pitch and rhythm. Competency 1.2 can sing in a group with live music or karaoke. Competency 1.1 Learning outcome performs simple rhythms in a steady tempo. All the learning outcomes to be assessed by teacher and self. Teacher's observations to be mentioned in the space given. Other comments also to be mentioned in the space given. Chapter 10 ends here.
Basuri, you were just listening to this audiobook, Textbook of Arts for Grade 5. Narration, Tripti Upadhyay. Sound recordist, Amarjit Sarkar. Production assistant, Amarjit Sarkar. Directed and produced by Vimalesh Chaudhary. This audiobook is brought to you by CIET NCERT, New Delhi, India.